I'm going to share with you 5 AI tools that you can use to get rich, but more importantly, that you can use to build wealth. I'm using these in my own businesses, which do millions of dollars per month, which allows me to provide an absolutely amazing life for my family. You can see here our new place overlooking the Palm in Dubai. This isn't going to be just another ChatGPT walkthrough like you've probably seen 1,000 times. It's going to be something special. So that brings us to our first tool. So tool number 1 is Google VO3. So if you wanted to make video ads, even a couple years ago, you would have had to have an expensive video setup, a whole bunch of editors, and you would have had to be comfortable on camera, which 99% of people are not. But now you can make amazing AI videos from your laptop without ever going on camera in about 10 seconds. So check this out here.
Breaking news tonight. A regular guy uses AI to build a $150,000 business.
So that there is completely AI. So the main benefit of this is now you obviously don't have to film ads yourself. Previously, if you were filming ads, you would have had to get UGC creators. So if you're selling to 6-year-old women, you would want to get 6-year-old women UGC creators. But now you can access essentially any UGC creator you want in seconds by using AI. And even more important than that is the setting the person's in. So if you're selling to rich people, you would have wanted to film a video on a yacht or in a mansion or somewhere that shows the person in the ad is rich, because what is familiar to your demographic is going to sell better. So now you can use your exact demographic in absolutely any setting and have free videos spit out to you that are high quality and look perfectly real in a matter of seconds. In using these already, I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars and I've made 4 to 5x back on ads just like these that are fully AI. So just a quick example here, I could say, show me a person in a sauna, sweating and detoxing, saying, "Are you sick of not being able to fall asleep?" You can give it a lot of freedom, but it won't actually be perfect. But I'll show you how you can get it more spot on here in just a second. I just want to show you a quick example. Okay, so we have one right here. Let's check them out.
Are you sick of not being able to fall asleep?
Looks super real, right? It gave us a girl as well. We can obviously specify whether we want a man or a girl.
Are you sick of not being able to fall asleep?
So if you're already an established business owner running a business, you can use this now to easily 3 to 5x your creative output. Usually the businesses that are doing more revenue than you, they're simply just doing more advertising activity. You might think that there's some magic trick to get to the next level. Let's say if you're at $1 million a year and you want to get to 5, if you just do 5x the amount of ads and do that purposely in a way that you're trying to actually improve what you're doing, then it's very, very likely you will 5x your business. So now it is so much easier to 5x your output because you don't need to hire people. All these constraints that were previously there are now gone, allowing you to do this much more effectively. Now, in order to make the best video ads, you have to do something else first, and that is create the right ad angle. So in short, an ad angle is the idea of an ad. So I can have one product with numerous ad angles for it. So for example, if I'm selling a sauna, one ad angle might be better sleep, like the ad we just made. Another ad angle might be detoxing. Another angle might be de-stressing. These are all different angles for the same product. So depending on what product you sell, in order to make good ads, you need to know the strongest angles. And lucky for you, AI can do that for you as well. I'm going to go through an example in this. I had a reel go viral a couple months ago for hyperbaric chambers, which is essentially like a tank you go in where it pumps more oxygen in the tank than there is in the air around you. It's really popular in the longevity and health space. So I'm going to show you from start to finish how I would make an ad for a hyperbaric chamber. So first things first, we need to come up with our top angle. So you've probably heard of Claude before, maybe you've even used it before. I already did a prompt here. I'm going to tell you an e-commerce product. Once I tell you the product, you are to provide me the top 10 strongest and most powerful selling angles that I could use for that particular product. So all I have to do is type in here, hyperbaric chamber, and then it's going to spit out to me the top ad angles that I can use in the rest of the flow. So you can see here, it's giving the top 10 angles. So anti-aging and cellular regeneration, accelerated athletic recovery, brain optimization, chronic condition management. All these are the top angles for that product type. So once I've had my angles, I need to find the ad formats I'm going to use. So it's important that you know this. You can find a winning ad for a completely unrelated product, take the format of that ad, and then apply it to your product. So the closer they are, the better, but they can be completely different and it can still work. So this tool Atria here allows you to essentially spy on any brand's ads. So we're gonna find one image ad that we're going to use as inspiration for our own in one video ad. So Primal Queen is essentially a woman's health supplement. So I can go to their page here called Primal Queen. And now how I wanna sort for a winning ad is I wanna go to format image. We're gonna do one image in one video. I wanna go to status active, and I wanna go to language English, and then sort by longest running. The thinking being, the longer running an ad is, there's a good chance that it's winning. So all these here have been running for just about a year now, since 2024. So now we know these are winning ads that have been running for a long time and they're still active today. So what I mean by format is you can see here, this is a texting conversation that would capture someone's attention who want this product. So the format here is a texting conversation, and you can see the brand name up here. This one here is a big call out of a pain point of the user. So we can take these formats and apply them to our own product. And this is a completely different one. I just want to show you how you can take something that's completely different and apply it to your own. But again, the closer they are, the better. So that's an image ad. Another great brand to get ideas from is this brand called Groons, which is a supplement that gets a lot of fiber stuff. Again, we want to do video this time because we're looking for a video inspiration. We want to go status active. And we want to go sort by longest running again. So we can see all these different ads they have here.
I keep seeing ads saying that these gummies are Ozempic's new bestie.
Since we were in our 20s.
So this one's about a wife and her husband
My husband.
feeling energized. So that's the angle of the ad, is increasing energy. So I think that one's quite good. So what we can do, you can see it's been running for quite a while, 6 months now. So we can download the ad. Okay, now we have one image ad and one video ad, and they both have their own different formats. So this one's just very casual. It almost looks like an organic post, which is great for advertising, by the way. Just to review where we're at, we can use VO3 to make these insane ads. But in order to make insane ads, we need to have the top angles for any product we're selling. For the example, I'm doing this video, hyperbaric chambers. The two angles we're going to use are number 1, longevity, anti-aging. Number 2, brain optimization and cognitive enhancement. So we have our angles. Now we have 2 winning ad formats. So next I'm going to show you Gemini. So Gemini, again, might just sound like another LLM to you. Maybe you've used it before, maybe you haven't. But one cool thing about Gemini that you might not know that other LLMs like ChatGPT and Claude cannot do is it can watch videos while the other ones can't. So this prompt is related to the image. We'll get to the video here in a second. So it says, I'm going to attach an image ad of a particular product. I want you to analyze the ad in detail and create me the perfect AI prompt that would mirror the ad exactly so I could recreate it. However, I'm going to tell you a new product with a new angle, and we're going to recreate the winning ad I sent you for my product with my new angle. The first step for you to do after I send the ad is to confirm with me the copy that we're going to use on the ad. So essentially what it's going to say. Then once I confirm that, then you will create the prompt that I can use to actually generate the ad. So at this point, we just want to pop in our ad here. So we can see here, this is the texting conversation one from Primal Queen. Pop that in, and then it's going to tell us essentially how to recreate this ad for our hyperbaric chamber with copy or text relevant to the hyperbaric chamber. So let it think here for a second. So I have the image now. Here's my detailed analysis format. Social proof screenshot designed to look genuine, like an organic conversation. Close up, slightly angled, showing the phone against a warm, natural background. Real vulnerable question from a person. Oh, I didn't actually say the new product. So new product is a hyperbaric chamber, and the angle we want to use is this. So now I can let it go back to Claude, take my brain and cognitive enhancement angle, go to Gemini, paste it in, and now it will redo the copy. So while this is loading, we can go to the next step. This one's actually related to video. So remember I said before that the only LLM that can watch videos is Gemini. So what I'm going to do is attach the winning video in here, and then Gemini can actually watch the video and give me a step-by-step sequence of the whole thing. So if you just take the ad transcript, that gets you a lot of the way there. So if you recreate the transcript for your own product, that can do very well, but it's still missing the whole part of the video, like what's happening in the video. I'll put in here the video. So go to the Groons, and this is the MP4. So it's going to essentially watch this video for me and create me exactly what's happening each second. So then I can apply that to my own. So I'll let it go do its thing now. Here's the video. So now we can see here, the copyist it is, as a founder, my days are relentless. Lately, I've been struggling with serious brain fog after lunch. I'm losing that sharp edge that I need to compete. Any solutions for this? So this is great because hyperbaric chambers are primarily bought by rich people who make a lot of money, usually entrepreneurs or athletes, this sort of thing. And then we can have a response. We hear this from executives all the time. The mental fatigue is a sign of oxygen debt at a cellular level. Hyperbaric chambers flood your brain with oxygen. This sounds great. Please provide me the prompt that I can use to remake this ad for my product. So now it's going to give me the prompt that I can then use in our next tool, which I'll show you here in just a sec. Yeah, so you can see here, it's telling us exactly what's going on. It's got the framework, the hook, the script of what's being said on screen. So if something's being on screen, like the little white part of the ad, a visual description of what's happening, the shot type, the pacing and the editing, and the dialogue. So here's the image generation prompt. So whether you're an existing business owner who's already selling a product, you can take this simple ad angle prompt I showed you before. You can ask it for more. So you can get like more specific angles. So for example, like a broad angle might be spending more time with your kids, but a more specific angle could be not missing your daughter's graduation. So you can get hundreds, even thousands of angles for every product. It just depends how niche and how specific you want to go. So if you're an existing business owner, go play around and just find different ad angles to your product that then you can then use to recreate these image ads for or video ads for. If you're completely new, then I would start broad and just see what category works. So once you find a category or an angle that works at the broad level, you can then take it and then double down and go narrower and narrower to refine your approach over time. So, okay, so next tool we're going to use is called Higgsfield, which is a super cool image generation tool. So I want to take this prompt here. Now I can pop into Higgsfield, and Higgsfield is super cool because it allows you to change the size. So I like 2x3, but what's more cool is it actually allows you to use any image generation. So rather than having to go to like Google's Nano Banana or ChatGPT or all these other ones, you can just do it all in one dashboard. What I do is usually just try a bunch. So I'll go Nano Banana. I just paste in my prompt here, and I can click generate. So I can generate, that will generate 4. I'm going to do 4 more. Then I'm going to go do ByteDance, which is essentially the China one. Let's do 2 ChatGPT. There's 1, there's 2. And let's just do Higgsfield Ultra Realistic Soul, see how that does. And then we'll do 1. So all these different image creation platforms are all slightly different, all advantages and disadvantages, but you want to try a bunch. So we can see here, let's see how we're doing. I don't like this. I don't like the full phone and the text looks a little bit off. Okay, so honestly, I think this one probably was a bad choice because of the super small text. So let's quickly run back and act like we never saw that and do a different one. Let's do this. Go back to Gemini, see how quick we can do it. Looks great. Let's see how we do this one. Now let's go Nano Banana. We'll do a couple. Do Seed Dream has honestly been, like the China one has been the one that I've had the best results with, but it really depends on the type of ad, to be honest with you. See? Great. That's a great ad right there. So these ones are Nano Banana. These look a lot better. So you want to watch, like this is spelled wrong, but usually it's pretty good. Now we're going to move on to our video ads. We can see here that it analyzed the full ad for us. For the video ad, we need to do one more step, and that is to actually create the winning ad script. What I did here is with Claude again. Claude is the best copywriter in my opinion. So if you need to write like ad scripts or email scripts, Claude is the best one. So what I say is I'm going to provide you a winning ad script for a product. I want you to analyze why it worked, look at the underlying reasons why. Then I'm going to tell you a new product with a new angle, and I want you to apply the framework of why the original ad worked, and then create me the perfect direct response ad for my new one with 5 different hooks. So we can go back to H right here. I believe this is the one we did. We can click transcribe script, just like that. And then AI will give us the full script in a matter of seconds. So I can copy this script. Now head over to Claude. I can paste the script in. Above is the winning script. Now apply this to my product, which is a hyperbaric chamber with the following angle. Go here, anti-aging intracellular generation we're going to use. I like Opus. I think Sonnet is a pretty good copywriter as well, but Opus is usually a little bit better. So it's giving us the key elements of why the ad worked. So it's got our 5 hooks. I don't know a ton about this product. If I did, I'm sure I could make a couple optimizations to this. But now that we have the script, we need to actually take this. We can take this here. And I made this prompt as well on Claude. Essentially what I've said is I'm going to give you 2 things: a scene-by-scene breakdown of an ad from an unrelated product, that ad rewritten for my product with a new angle. Your job is to take my ad script that we just got and provide in detail instructions for the video, and the primarily underlying reasons why the first ad is winner, and then apply it to my own. So here is my ad script with 5 hooks. Now, this is the video breakdown. So now we can go to Gemini, export to Sheets, and then I can download the spreadsheet, CSV, and then I can take my CSV and paste it in here. Attached is the video. So it's going to understand the video breakdown and then create instructions for my hyperbaric chamber ad. Now, while that's getting ready, we're going to go back to Nano Banana. Say, okay, I've got a new breakdown for you for a new ad. I want you to create me the perfect VO3 prompt to make hyper realistic UGC style direct response ad creative. I will send the breakdown, and I want you to give me the prompts in 8-second increments. Let's start with first 3 or 24 seconds total. Confirm with me you understand.
Here is the full breakdown of the video. So now we want to take this, plug it into Claude, and it's going to spit us out the first 3 prompts that we can use for AI video creator. So I use VO3. And things we want to make sure here is we want to be aware of the person who's in the ad. So are they our cardinal demographic? So with hyperbaric chamber, it's like a wealthy executive. Okay, for prompt for this one, we can give the instructions to change. For this one, we want it to be an executive, a rich executive stepping out of a hyperbaric chamber, looking refreshed and rejuvenated. He's good looking, looks much younger, and he's immediately in the video looking directly at the camera saying, so I can give it instructions, right? Like I didn't love this prompt, but you can give it instructions to change it. So that's the thing with AI. You can't fully align it. You still have to know at a high level how things work, or just have very good prompts. Obviously, I'm just throwing these together for this video. I do have projects built out where it kind of does all this automatically. So I can take this prompt here and I can go into something like Google VO3 and I can just type this in. You can do fast or quality. So I'll do VO3 fast and it'll spit us out quick ones. We want to go portrait. We can make a bunch, go. And I'll do VO3 quality as well, just to see the difference. If you do a bunch, usually one of them will be pretty close to what you're looking for. And then you can do scene builders. So you can essentially take the person in the scene that he's in and then create another scene with the same person. So you don't have to use different people throughout the ad. So here's some of the ads. This is fast, so I don't know how these will turn out, but let's see how they look.
I haven't felt this good since my 20s.
Pretty good.
I haven't felt this good since my 20s.
So I would go back and just say, like, let's say, for example, hyperbaric chamber does not look real. Real looks like a spaceship. Please create a new prompt to make the hyperbaric chamber look extremely realistic. Also, the guy starts talking way too late. I want the door to open, start talking, so it's engaging. He should be moving fast. Let's see how this one does now. Remove that stuff. What's going on here?
I haven't felt this good since my 20s. Who knew a hyperbaric chamber could be so life-changing?
That's pretty good.
I haven't felt this good since my 20s. Who knew a hyperbaric chamber could be so life-changing?
Like, these are obviously a lot better than the other ones.
I haven't felt this good since my 20s. Who knew a hyperbaric chamber could be so life-changing?
That one's very engaging. Like, see how it's like, that'd be a great hook. Guys like jumping out at you. So just to review what we covered, we first showed you VO3, how you can really make amazing videos in seconds. Then we remember how you can use Claude and LLMs in general to find the top selling angles for your product. Then we used Atria to find winning ad formats, whether it's an image or video, and then take that ad format and apply it to our product with our new angle. And then we can use Higgsfield AI to make AI image ads in literally a single click. And we can, again, use Claude to analyze a winning ad script or any product type, take that ad script, apply it to our own, then have Gemini create scene-by-scene instructions for the new video ad with our product type. Once we finalize that, we can have it make prompts to actually then make the ad inside of VO3, which I just showed you. So whether you're an existing business owner, or you're a new business owner, get out there, use these tools, become familiar with them, because mastering this stuff is literally one of the greatest wealth opportunities in history. Take advantage of it. Don't let this pass you by. This is really like buying Bitcoin in 2008 for 8 cents, and you've had it right in front of you, and you can still get in early. That's all for this video. If you took any value, subscribe to the channel, leave any questions in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.